What? Do you think I'm ugly? Bakit?
Din daddy mo.
Ito nag...
Nagwak-wak. The chicken guacs. Patingin ko to. My daddy's weird. When daddy told me that look at his back, I saw there's so many circle red things.
Nagpabintusa ka daddy mo mo.
What's that? He said,
Ah, oo na, butang sa baso. Dahil may kandila.
does he sell his blood?
Yeah, that is bentosa.
Can you
Yeah.
say in English?
That's massage also, parts of the massage.
Massage! No,
Yes.
daddy said he was blood sucking.
Yes.
Mabilis ka na kami sa one side. Di mo lang. Dapat duwa.
But he said he was blood sucking. How can I be?
Si Lola mo, naglakad
Let's
na.
play Uno.
Okay. Wait lang. Bye. Thank you for watching with Arcane.